Welcome, in front of me is a KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings navigate to Lock Screen. Okay, and from here you'll find Fingerprint. So before you can actually add a fingerprint, you will also have to set up an additional way of unlocking the device. So once you tap on it, you will have a choice between pattern, pin, or password. I'm gonna choose pattern, but you can choose whichever one you prefer. And then you get a message, require pattern to start the device, or you don't have to use it. Basically what it does is when you're turning on the device, it will require a pattern or whatever you choose to start the device, and then it will require it once more just to actually unlock it like you would normally do. So I'm just gonna stick with no thanks, it seems kind of pointless. Then draw the pattern, tap on continue, redraw the same pattern once more and confirm. And now we can begin to add a fingerprint. Now once before we actually choose how notifications work. So you can basically partially show them fully, or hide them completely on the lock screen. It's a matter of preference. And now let's just tap on next and start scanning away our finger. Now probably your thumb would be the best one, considering you normally hold the phone like this, so it might be the best way, but because it's on the stand, I'm just gonna use my index finger. So let's just start tapping it away. Then you can actually get a better look how I'm doing it, and I don't actually have to take the phone off of the stand. And there we go. And here you get the option to name your fingerprint. So you could name it, for instance, index or whatever you want, so you can later on distinguish them easier when you're trying to add, let's say, more fingerprints for instance, additional finger or person if you want to. So let's just tap on done. I'm not gonna rename it. And now if you also want the device to lock with the fingerprint, when you scroll down, I think it is, where is it, screen lock time. So I think by default it's set to 2 minutes. You want to probably change it to instantly when the power key is pressed or the screen times out. So normally when it's set to 2 minutes, I'll demonstrate, and you lock the device and you press the button once more, it's automatically unlocked. And that's not to do with the finger that I'm pressing it with, because if I change it to some finger that I haven't added, you can see that it continues to do that. So you want to actually change it to the first option. Then when you lock the device, it is immediately forcing the user to put in a pattern to unlock it, or to use your fingerprint. Something I can actually get it to. If it would actually read it correctly, that would be nice. There we go. So you can see that it works. When you lock the device now, it is immediately locked. A little bit of an added security. 2 minutes seems to be a way too long of a time for this, considering you will place your phone and in the span of 2 minutes you might go somewhere and some person might just gain access to your phone and you had no idea. So highly advised to change that. But yeah, this is basically be done. So that is how you add a fingerprint and set it up, I guess, to make it a little bit more secure on top of it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.